Hey everyone, now we're opening up some more Final Faction figures from the Dollar Tree. We were able to find another comic. We got two steals now, a Steadfast, two ACRMs. This is something I actually had, but now that I have an original ACRM, we'll put some accessories on, see how that looks. I found another ATV, but not the armor pack, so I didn't find another one of these. I tried to get two of everything. I only found one of him, so he's going to stay carded. We're going to open these two and this, and then we're going to add these. First, we have ACRM, Alpha Team 1. This is Series 1. He's got his strength stats, speed, agility, stamina, durability. We have our little card cut out here, so we're going to keep this like we do all the other ones. Trying to keep the back in good shape because we're going to save this. Here's our figure. It's very solid plastic for $1. I love that. These things are so well detailed. 5 points of articulation. You got the legs at the hips, the shoulders, and the head. And he's got a lot of these peg holes for all his accessories. Next, we're going to go ahead and cut out our clip and save. You know what? This time I'm going to clip this out too. That way I have... That way now I also have the Series 1. And we have the ACRM clip and save. Now let's go ahead and open up the armor pack. All of the armor packs also come with a clip and save. Let's see, we got instructions. So we're going to take these, go on his shoulder. We got all right. We have these plates. Go down here. They do not want to go in. And it's a slightly more flexible plastic as well. Now these go here. That one went in, no problem. And another one here. So the basic ACRM mod is this. He definitely looks way more hardcore in comparison. It's not focusing. It's pretty awesome. I like it. All right, now let's go ahead and open up Steel, Sergeant Steel. Now you would think this goes like this, but the weird thing is in the show it's actually like this. It's upside down. It looks like it should be like this, so it's like a jetpack, but it actually sits like that. Let's go ahead and get his card off the back. They all come with bios as well. All right, and there's his card. Let's open the ATV. I've actually never opened one of these. I have a few of these. All right, so it comes with, oh yeah, we got to cut this out. Comes with instructions. All right, I'm going to put this together with a little bit of video editing magic. And here's the basic vehicle. finished with without the armor or the weapons and all. So it's for $1, it's not bad, but you definitely want to get the armor upgrade pack as well. All right, and there's the ATV card. So this is the newest haul we got from Dollar Tree. $8.75, and we were able to get all of this, which isn't bad. I'm not going to open this because this is like my fourth one of these. I did open one though. I've really enjoyed it. As of June 2024, this is officially canceled. Issue 2 on the back here, it never came into fruition. It doesn't exist. See, Series 1 here was released back in 2021. And as of 2024, Elite and Venom is the last line that they did for Final Faction. Until next time, see ya!